Have you ever opened your inbox and felt that immediate wave of panic from a threatening email? You're not alone. Email remains one of the most common ways cybercriminals deliver phishing, fraud, and extortion-related scams. If you've experienced this, the fear is real, but so is your ability to control it. You don't have to wait for these messages to reach you. In this guide, you'll learn how to use email filter blackmail protections, set up rules to quarantine sextortion email threats, and create smart Gmail filter threats defenses that keep harmful content out of your inbox. Fear delivered to your inbox. Blackmail emails don't rely on hacking, they rely on psychology. They often use alarming subject lines, urgent language, or claims designed to shock you into reacting quickly. The goal is simple: trigger fear before you think critically. Technically, these emails are mass sent using automated systems. Attackers rely on volume, not personalization. But when one lands in your inbox, it feels targeted. This is where email blackmail prevention strategies become powerful. They allow you to intercept these messages automatically before they reach your primary view. What these emails look like. Blackmail emails usually follow recognizable patterns. Understanding this can help you build stronger filters that detect them early. Look for emails from spoofed sender addresses that appear familiar but are slightly altered. They often contain threatening subject lines, such as urgent or immediate action required. Many sextortion emails are generic messages that lack personal details. In some cases, scammers will include information or content from previous breaches to increase the perceived legitimacy of the threats. They may even send partial screenshots of the material if they truly have access or fabricate evidence to seem more credible. The message typically contains demands or pressure to act quickly. This can include instructions to pay a ransom to prevent exposure accompanied by a deadline. They often attach suspicious links and files under the guise of payment portals or attached proof. These links often contain malware or are designed to harvest credentials. Emotional impact at scale. These emails are dangerous because they create instant emotional distress. Even if the message is false, the shock can feel very real. According to FBI guidance, cybercriminals frequently use email to deliver phishing, fraud, and extortion-related threats. When threats land directly in your inbox, they feel personal, especially if you're not expecting them. So how can you filter blackmail emails before they reach your inbox? By using built-in filtering tools, you can automatically redirect suspicious messages to spam or quarantine folders, removing the emotional trigger entirely. Set up filters and take control. If you want to stop these emails before they reach you, follow these steps. 1. Stay calm and avoid immediate reactions. Do not click links or reply. Give yourself time to evaluate the message. 2. Preserve evidence. Do not delete the email right away. Save it or take screenshots for records. 3. Set up email filter threats protection. Follow your email provider's instructions. For example, Gmail users should open settings, see all settings, filters, and blocked addresses. Click create a new filter. Add keywords like urgent, payment, or threatening phrases. Choose actions like skip the inbox, apply a label, delete, or mark as spam. This creates an email filter blackmail barrier that works automatically. 4. Use spam and quarantine features. Most email providers allow you to automatically send suspicious messages to spam and create rules to quarantine sextortion email attempts for review. Strengthen your email security. Enable two-factor authentication, regularly update your password, and review your account activity. 6. Do not block. Avoid blocking the sender right away. Blocking can remove visibility or evidence of ongoing activity. 7. Report the email. Mark it as phishing to your email provider and report the crime to your local police. And if you're in the US, the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. 8. Contact cybersecurity professionals. Experts can help analyze threats, refine filters, and properly secure your account. Take control of your inbox and your peace of mind. Blackmail emails are designed to catch you off guard, but with the right email blackmail prevention setup, you can stop them before they even appear. By using filters, quarantine tools, and proactive security steps, you turn your inbox from a vulnerability into a shield. At Blackmail.HelpLine, we bring over 10 years of cybersecurity expertise, proprietary tools, and a proven record of helping thousands of clients protect their digital lives. We can analyze email headers, attached files, and metadata within the message to pursue evidence that can help support your case. If you ever fall victim to online blackmail, you can count on the team at Blackmail.HelpLine. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.